Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. I was recently asked by one of my lovely viewers to show you how I did my winged eyeliner look from a recent video. So in today's video, I'm going to do just that. I'm going to show you how I do my winged eyeliner look, plus also give you 3 tips on how to apply eyeliner when you're my age, 50 plus, and your eyes are not as prominent as they used to be, and the delicate area around your eyelids is not as taut as it used to be, which causes many eyeliners to tug and pull and skip on the wrinkled skin rather than glide. Plus also, our hands may start getting a little bit shaky, and so it's a little bit hard to draw a fine and straight line easily. But with my 3 tips, I think we can all be winged eyeliner queens. So let's get started. First off, I can't stress enough, you have to start with the right product that's tailored for our skin. Let me introduce you to what has become a game changer in my makeup look. The Eyeliner's Prime Eyes Glide from PROMETICS. Because unlike many others, they work. They come in 5 stunning shades and are packed with hydrating ingredients like avocado oil, olive oil, so that they glide on smoothly, allowing for precise application without tugging on the delicate skin. The 5 colors are coal, which I have to say is probably my #1 favorite. Then there is wood, which is a beautiful brown for those days that I don't want to look like I've got any makeup on. Sapphire, which is a beautiful blue that with my green eyes can highlight the green due to the contrasting shade. And emerald, which makes my eyes a little bit greener. And smoke, which is a beautiful charcoal smoky color that can help you make a beautiful smoky look. By the way, these eyeliners come with built-in sharpness beneath the smudger. It's a little hidden gem that maybe you may not be aware of, but it ensures your lines stay crisp and precise every time. Tip number 2 is don't overdo it. Back when I was younger and my eyes were not as inset, I could get away with lining the inside of my eyes, but not anymore. This look just makes my eyes look smaller. So my trick is to just line the outer half of my eye, starting from the outside. And to create the lifted look, I start not at the end of the eye or that corner where the upper and lower lid join, but rather just above there at the spot where my last lash grows. I found that because our eyes are already emphasized in the downward slope, by stopping the eyeliner at that last lash and making that end slightly thicker and then feathering it in dot by dot to the start of my iris, this creates a lifted look and makes my eyes also look bigger. By the way, these eyeliners are waterproof, which means that if you do like the tight line, then you can do that. It won't transfer to the bottom lid. There, now for the other side. And if you find that your hands shake a little bit, then what I find that also works for me is just resting my hand delicately on my face. I don't smudge the makeup, but it's already there. How I create the extended look of the cat eye is I just take the eyeliner and I just place it on the outer bit of the eye and flick it up. And then I join it to the bottom and just thicken that last little bit there. And the same on this side. Now I had to do this off camera only because I can't use the phone in order to do it properly. Now let me go and put the mascara on. And lastly, tip number 3 is don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and techniques. Whether you prefer a subtle line or a bold wing, the Prime Eyes Glide eyeliner allows for effortless application, so you can rock any look with confidence. By the way, did I tell you that these eyeliners are actually infused with hyaluronic acid? This is perfect to condition sensitive lashes. And there you have it, my friends, 3 valuable tips for applying eyeliner like a pro. I hope you found this video informative and liked it. Don't forget to show me by hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope wherever you are, you're having a fabulous day. Until next time, my friends. Bye.